gonna do a video about how to change your bulb in a Chrysler 200. This is a 2015 Chrysler 200. And there's been a couple of people stop me at the gas station. They ask me how do they change the bulb because they're having trouble reaching in under the hood to get the bulb out. Well, I'm about to show you that right now. Okay, this is a mistake that a lot of people do, and I made this mistake. I even went to the auto parts store. I asked them, how do I get the bulb out? Because she asked me, what kind of bulb do I need? Do I need an LED or a halogen bulb? I said, I don't know, because I don't know what's in there. I can't get to it. So she came out, and this is what she did. The light was here. She went back here, and she tried to reach down here and reach back. I'm gonna put the camera down there. See that knob? That's where the bulb is at, the hand lamp. So you're able to get your hand there and turn it to take that off. You get over here, it's a little different story. It's really tight, you can't get to it. So we got this off. You can reach in there, you can feel the connection for the lamp, but you can't get it off. So I just told her go ahead and give me, what did I do with the bulb? This bulb here, because this bulb is probably standard. What is this on my mouth? Oh, some candy. But this bulb here, and she recommended that I buy two. One bulb was $40. For the pack, it was $50-something and some change. So she said, you better go ahead and get the double pack, because if the other one goes out, then, you know, you're going to pay a lot more money. So I was like, okay. 2 weeks later, my passenger side bulb went out. So now I have to change that. I'm going to show you guys how to change this, because a lot of people don't know this, and they struggle, and they, you know, they bust up their knuckles trying to get this out. The first thing you want to do is turn your wheel. Whatever side you're trying to get the bulb, turn your wheel in. Some people take their wheel off, but I'm not doing that. Right up here, there's a compartment right here. This is the bulb compartment. This is how you get it. Now, there's a screw right here, plastic screw. You want to turn that. You can probably turn it with your hand. I tried using a quarter once before, and it kind of tore that up because it's plastic. You want something really flat and wide. So I tried this. That didn't work because this is not wide enough. I'm going to try this. It's flat and it's wide. So I'm gonna try this and see if this works. I'm gonna try to put you guys up here so you can see. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. So you want to put this in here and you turn it. Is it turning? Yeah, see that? Just like that. So that works. Go ahead and lift this down. Or you can turn it like this because it's on the screw down here. Turn it just like that. If you can see in there, that right there, you want to turn it. You want to turn this counterclockwise. Just like that. Let me get you up here. Just like that. Comes out. See that right there? That's the connector. Oh, let me show you this. This right here has a rubber seal in it. Make sure you do not lose this because it will fall out. You want to reach up there, and you can probably turn that. I think it twists counterclockwise also. Yeah. Twist it down and pull it out. Just like that. And there's some clips on here where you can get that out. Put you guys back right there. Hopefully you can see it. But there's a clip. pull it off and put the new bulb in. Okay, here's the new bulb. Try not to touch the bulb because you don't want to get your oils on there. Clamp that back on. Just like that. Put that back in there. Just like that. Put it in at the angle you got it out, and then turn it back clockwise until it clicks. Let me zoom in so you can see it. Just like that. This is the one that mine take for a 2015 Chrysler 200. Make sure that's there, that rubber seal's there. Let's go ahead and put this back in. So take this, oh, there's some little grooves in there that you gotta fit it in. Put that in there like that. Until you feel it kind of grab, or when it sits in there correctly. Okay, there it is. Now you want to turn it. Get up here. Turn it just like that. Take this, go back out. Turn this back up. Just like that. Where's the rubber piece? It fell out. Oh. See how that's in there? Just like that. So you want to put that back in. Get that piece. It's my homemade tools. It's just a bracket and turn it. Just like that. Okay, now let's turn on the headlight. That one works. Here we go. It works. So that's how you change the headlamp in the Chrysler 200 2015. I do want to say I really love the design and layout of this Chrysler. Pretty much all Chryslers. But the one issue I have is they need to work on their transmission. Anyone that has a Chrysler will know how it switches gears. It's not quite up to par to where it should be. That's my only issue. Now, will I buy another Chrysler in the future? Probably not. I'll buy something else with something that has an amazing warranty and something that's going to last long. See you in the next one. And if you're new to the channel, no, I'm not a mechanic. It's just some basic things I like to do. So subscribe to our channel, please, and see you in the next one.